Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF in Brevo email. So first, you may want to head over to brevo.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Marketing. And from here, you will be redirected to the campaigns page. Make sure that you create a new campaign if you don't have an existing one. So start by choosing what kind of campaign do you want to create. So in my case, I'm just going to pick email, add the name for your campaign, and click on create campaign. Then next from here, scroll down to additional settings. Then click on the edit settings button, scroll down and look for the sending and tracking section and make sure that you tick the box for add an attachment. Now here you can start adding your PDF file just by clicking on select a file button. Just select your PDF file and click on open. Once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!